love cooking on the road but struggle with cluttered counters and hard to find spices, you're going to want to see this simple space-saving solution. This is the RecPro RV Wall Mount Spice Rack Organizer, a compact and durable rack designed to keep your favorite spices and small kitchen essentials within easy reach. Once mounted, you can line up your spice bottles, condiments, small oils, or even tiny cleaning supplies right here, so you always know where they are when you need them. Installation is straightforward. Just screw it into the wall where you have room, and since it's wall mounted, it frees up counter and cabinet space. Keeping your spices organized like this not only helps in cooking, but it also makes your RV kitchen feel more like home. Neat, functional, and clutter-free. So, if you're ready to upgrade your RV kitchen storage without bulky shelves or complicated installs, this RecPro Wall Mount Spice Rack is a simple and affordable choice. If you'd like to see the measurements of the RV Spice Rack, we'll have them up on the screen for you to take a look. This rack is made from strong black steel, built to last through bumps, turns, and everything the road throws at it, and the finish really complements most RV kitchens. If you'd like to learn more about this RV Spice Rack, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.